Hi, this is 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. This is Chris. We're taking a look at the Boogie board, VersaBoard, and as you can see, it can stand on a table. So here it is flat. This pen slips out from the top right here. This part right here is like a kickstand. It also has a magnet to attach to, let's say, your refrigerator if you want. And you can go ahead and write on this. You can scribble different things. You can fill up the whole screen with whatever you want. And then there's a magnet on the back side of this implement here, and then you just tap once and it goes away. So it's great for notes. You can draw on this if you want. It notices levels of pressure, so if you press harder you get a thicker line, and if you do light it'll be lighter, so you can even do a little bit of shading, and then tap once and it's all gone. There's no way to save what you've written on here, but they have different versions of these Boogie boards where you can beam it via Bluetooth to your phone or other devices, and this just slips right in at the top. There's no recharging needed. This will work all the time. This does need to be charged, so there is a charging port on there as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.